Hello, I'm Jan Vincent Riambilio and I will be explaining our lab activity 5, Combined Time and Amplitude Transformations of a Digital Signal. The main goal of this activity is to understand how signal can be modified when both time and amplitude transformation are applied at the same time. Specifically, we aim to generate a discrete time signal using Python, apply simultaneous transformations, and visualize how this affects the signal's shape and behavior. In digital signal processing, we can transform signals into two main ways, through time transformations and amplitude transformations. Time transformations include shifting, reversal, and scaling, which change the signal's position or timing. Amplitude transformation, on the other hand, include application, attenuation, and inversion, which affect the signal's strength or direction. When combined, these transformations create more complex effects and are widely used in applications like audio processing, communication systems, and control systems. In this activity, I first create a discrete time signal in Python using the sine function. I generated time samples from negative 10 to positive 10 and defined the signal as x equals sine of 0.3 pi n. This gave us a smooth repeating waveform as the original signal. After that, I applied three different combinations of transformations. The first combination was amplification and time shifting. Here, I multiplied the signal by 2 and shifted in 3 units to the right. As a result, the signal became taller and moved to the right side of the graph. The second combination was attenuation and time reversal. I multiplied the signal by zero point 0.5, which reduced its height and then reversed by using negative n. This made the waveform look smaller and flip horizontally. The third combination was inversion and time scaling. In this part, I multiply the signal by negative 1 to flip it upside down and scale the time by a factor of 2, making it appear compressed along the time axis. After plotting all these transformation signals, I was able to clearly see the effects. The amplified and shifted signal appeared stronger and delayed. The attenuated and reversed signal looked weaker and mirrored. The inverted and scaled signal was flipped upside down and more compressed in time. This transformation showed that when we apply time and amplitude changes together, both the strength and position of the signal are affected. For example, amplification increases the signal's amplitude, while shifting delays it in time. Similarly, combining inversion and scaling changes both its direction and timing. That demonstrates how flexible and powerful digital signal processing can be when manipulating signals. In conclusion, this laboratory activity helped me understand how multiple signals transformation interact with each other. Using Python made it easier to visualize how each transformation affects the signal's appearance and properties. I learned that combining time and amplitude transformation can modify both how strong and how positioned a signal is. This concept is very useful in real-world applications, such as adjusting sound levels in audio systems, synchronizing signals in communication devices, and fine-tuning control systems. Overall, this experiment depends my understanding of how to control and analyze digital signals through combined transformation in both time and amplitude domains.